Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will learn how to control a bulb from two different places using two-way switches. In this video, we will learn about two different wiring techniques for this network. In first methodology, when both switches will be on same position, the bulb will turn on. And when both of these switches will be opposite position to each other, the bulb will turn off. And in second methodology, when both of these switches will be opposite position, the bulb will on and bulb will off when both of these switches will be on same position. The present view of the network on screen is related to first methodology of circuit wiring diagram. Let's learn about the wiring of this network. The negative wire of bulb is directly connected to source, while positive wire of the source is connected to bulb through a pair of two-way switches. Common terminal of this switch 1 is connected to bulb and the common terminal of switch 2 is connected to plus terminal of voltage source. While other two terminals of switches are connected on same position to each other. Let's run the simulation and see the results. When both switches are on opposite positions, the bulb is off. But if the switches are on same position, the bulb will be on. Toggle this switch to see the results. Bulb is off and place this switch on off position. Again the bulb is on. So when the both switches will be on same position, bulb will on, and when both of these will be on opposite position, bulb will off. Now move towards the next method for the wiring of circuit. In this wiring method, we will just swap the position of these two connections. These two terminals will be connected to their opposite terminal of other switch. Run the simulation and see the results. In this methodology, when both of the switches on same position, the bulb will off, and when both of the switches will be opposite position, bulb will be on. Now these both switches are on same position, so the bulb is off, and when these will be on opposite position, bulb will on. So this was the simulation results of this network. In next upcoming video, I will make a practical circuit of this network and we will validate the results of these two methodologies practically. So stay tuned with Creative World. See you in next video.